Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For those who have been here, thank you very much, guys. I don't take you for granted. I really appreciate your presence in this channel. Please don't forget to share the video so that we can reach as many people as possible. If you are still new, if you just come across this channel today, please click the red subscribe button and join this beautiful family so that you can become one of us, so that you can also get help, because in this channel we're helping each other with cheap, simple, home affordable remedies and spell that are not even expensive, you guys. So on today's video we're going to use, this is lucky beans. If you don't know lucky beans, this is how they look. You're going to take 4 of these, you put them in your wallet, you leave them there. You just take 4 of lucky beans, you put them in your wallet, you guys. They will drag money into your life, you guys. You will never lack, you'll never suffer, you'll never run out of money, of course, you guys. And you're also going to take 5 of these on work days, which is Monday to Friday, not on weekends. You're going to use 5 lucky beans together with holy ashes every morning from Monday to Friday to rinse yourself. You face the sunrise direction, you attract luck, you attract everything in your life, you attract every beautiful thing, best luck, financial breakthrough, promotion, everything that goes hand in hand with luck. These are lucky beans. You're going to use them together with holy ashes to rinse yourself for 5 days in a row. If you start on Monday, you have to start only on Monday, so that you're going to do it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You stop. You don't do it on weekend. On Saturday and Sunday you don't continue with your rituals. So you can share this video so that many people can reach this kind of video and they can also become lucky. If you know someone who's struggling financially, please share this video to them. And also please search for other videos that you are looking for. Search for any other solution in this channel. Anything you want to get help with, please go to the channel and search for it. You're going to find, be it back to sender, be it financial breakthrough, be it marriage, anything that you need solution with, just search it in this channel. Guys, let me love and leave you here until my next upload. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and please don't skip the ads. Bye you guys.